The R-17 Elbrus, GRAU Index 9K72 is a tactical ballistic missile, initially developed by the Soviet Union. It is also known by its NATO reporting name SS-1C Scud B. It is one of several Soviet missiles to carry the reporting name Scud. The most prolifically launched of the series, with a production run estimated at 7,000. Also designated R-300 during the 1970s, the R-17 was derived from the R-11 Zemlya. It has been operated by 32 countries and manufactured in 4 countries outside the Soviet Union. It is still in service with some. The first mock-up was designed and built by Makarov in 1958–1959, before the program was transferred to the Votkinsk machine building plant in 1959 for mass production. The first launch was conducted in 1961, and it entered service in 1964. The R-17 featured important improvements over the R-11. The Azad-21 engine used a combination of inhibited red fuming nitric acid oxidizer and unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine fuel, fed into the combustion chamber by fuel pumps that ensured a more consistent thrust. The guidance system, active only during the boosted phase, uses 3 gyroscopes that give it a circular area of probability of 450 m. A nuclear warhead was designed for the R-17, with a selectable yield, from 5 to 70 kilotons. However, it could also carry a chemical warhead, containing 555 kilograms of viscous VX. A conventional weapon, with a single high-explosive warhead. Or a series of fragmentation payloads, using either high-explosive, anti-tank or anti-runway munitions. At first, the R-17 was carried on a tractile similar to that of the R-11, designated 2P-19, but this was not very successful, as the vibration of the tracks had a tendency to interfere with the launch electronics. Production of this model was halted after Khrushchev cancelled the production of heavy tanks in 1962, and a wheeled launcher was designed by the Titan Central Design Bureau, becoming operational in 1967. The new MAZ-543 vehicle was officially designated 9P-117 Uragan, and its Russian crews nicknamed it Korshilot, because of its size. The 8-wheeled MAZ-543 has a loaded weight of 37,400 kilograms, a road speed of 55 km per hour and a range of 650 kilometers. It can carry out the launch sequence autonomously, but this is usually directed from a separate command vehicle. The missile is raised to a vertical position by means of hydraulically powered cranes, which usually takes 4 minutes, while the total sequence lasts about 1 hour. Combat use: Libya. It has been rumored that Scud Bs were fired by Gaddafi forces against rebels in the 2011 Libyan civil war during the first phase of the war. On August 14, 2011, a confirmed Scud B launch was detected by a U.S. Aegis destroyer, with the missile fired from Sirte and heading toward rebel positions in Ordoba. The missile fell 80 kilometers off target in the middle of the desert, inflicting no damage. 8 days later, on August 22, 3 more Scud B launches were detected by NATO. Specifications: range Euro 300 km, CEP Euro 500 Euro 900 m, type of fuel Euro liquid, preparation time Euro 1 hour, period of storage Euro 19 years, 6 months, flight time Euro 15 minutes. See also: Hwasong 5, Hwasong 6, R-11 Zemlya, Scud. References